Some quick demonstration how this night light get turned on. It turns on regular lighting, off and turn back on, night light. Regular lighting, night light. This is a water leak sensor hub. It will ring here. It will ring the hub. The water sensor, leak sensor. Various location because it's the self-stand tub. The sensor is down there in case a lot of water leak on the floor. There's one in the kitchen under the sink. There's one in a crawl space under the sink where there's a water pipe goes out to the spigot. There's one in the laundry. Also, this room, this lighting. This is a switch that can turn it off, but also is better to control with this remote. Has a various control. This night light can turn into many different color: red, blue, green, white, gold. This lighting here, also controls. There's 4 of it. Okay. This, the reason I left this desk is for tenant have the option. This ring device is alarm. Downstairs there's a coating on the wall. I have a Ethernet channel. So basically, if the tenants put internet router, hook it up to number 1 to this blue wire. This repeater is already connected to here, and this repeater, a lot of devices, ring doorbell, there's a ring alarm. There are 3 ring doorbells, 2 on the left and right side of the gate, 1 in the front door. The delivery drop box also controls Wi-Fi. And this lighting can also be controlled with the Wi-Fi smartphone. So there are many devices are connected to this repeater, and I have put it in their repeaters names and also password. Once that internet is connected, that will link light up in blue, and everything is just connected. And so to make it more easier, that's what I did, because to reprogram everything individually to a new account or Wi-Fi or everything else is just complicated. If the tenants have the time to do that, that just simplifies everything. This repeater is the same repeater, additional repeater if they need to. Basically, this, if they can link Wi-Fi wirelessly to the router and just plug it up, it can just link up all other extends the Wi-Fi extension. The shed also basic. So here's the alarm coding. This is a panic button if they want to use, and this is all part of a connected. This lighting is automatic, and it will turn on based on motion sensor, and during the dark, during the daylight, most of the time it doesn't work. Let's see. The shed over there, the glass door, inside of it, there's a Same keypad, and it's complete separate alarm system if the tenant wants to use. That's an extra doorbell ring down here and upstairs. Okay, that one will stay. I have provided it extra battery for the door ring doorbell, since there's a 3 doorbell. This is a blinder charging cable. So this blinder is automatic control with the remote. Stop, down. And the battery is located right here. Let's let me raise it up a little bit. It's located in here on the side, and just push this down and take out the battery and recharge if it needs to. So the door, the Quickset Smart, that door in the front is the same, all the same code. It's Wi-Fi control. Outside they can code in to get in. Automatically with lock in 5 minutes. That door needs to be either stay open or closed for the automatic after 5 minutes when it's locked. And we don't want that locked tumble hitting the frame of the door jamb. So it needs to be closed or open. So when that activated, it does not cause a problem resetting, because that locked bar it gets stuck in between. Anyway, that's part of the instruction. Oh, and this Honeywell thermostat is also, you can do manually or Wi-Fi. It is connected to the Wi-Fi signal, so it has to have an internet connection. I have a camera up there, so they can monitor whether garage door is left it open or not. That only work if it's connected to the internet, and so that internet, the repeater, I believe is connected to all this. This garage door also has a sensor. My cube, also that one also is connected. So if the garage door is open, stays open, I forgot to close, probably gives you a warning that it left it open too long, and also has the ability to smartphone to send a signal to close it. The Tesla charger, this one open by pressing code until all this green lights up. 5 1 1 1 1 1, and then opens up. This one dial 714 so it can unlock it. Right now it's turned off from the breaker. Okay, they can turn it on. This is a adapter for that Tesla charging head to different variety EV vehicle. This is a adapter for additional charging port. This is a 30 amp 1450 NEMA. RV can be connected, or generator can be connected there to power the house if the power outage. Let's see. This is the main valve to shut off the house. Right now I turned it off because it's cold and nobody's here, so that needs to be turned back on. This shuts off the water for entire house. And this is the water tank I placed in vacation mode. Once the tenant moves in, that this needs to be dialed back to hot, A, B, C, or whatever temperature they desire. Okay. That's the hot water circulation pump. It has set up a certain time, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock, a different timing that pumps the hot water. So hot water is readily available when the faucets are turned on upstairs or kitchen or wherever. Just so when the people are using, they get instant hot water right away and they don't have to wait for hot water to catch up. So that needs to be stay plugged in to this to have that power for recirculation pump. Getting a new heater HVAC system. We're waiting for the parts to arrive for the heating company come to install a brand new one. They can use all the shelf. They can use all this. This one is belongs to Spanaway property. When the tenants move out, you can take it back over there, and the laundry room is located upstairs. This is why I haven't taken up there, because it's occupied, and they have their temporary laundry machine owned by the tenant, and so when they move out, it's easier when they move out, move all the stuff, and then we'll just take this back upstairs. They can use a beach towel if they want to, the dolly. They can use all the mopping, cleaning product, whatever. Okay. Whatever they see in the house, they can use it. I kept it open because we don't want mold to build in. Right now, turned off. Make sure plug in if they want to use the refrigerator. All the hoses, I have extra hoses in the backyard. If they want to use it, this is an expandable hose that can go over 100 feet.